Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy the Straight Talk card online. So here you just come to walmart.com and then you can just search for Straight Talk airtime and e-gift cards and you can find a bunch of cards online. Okay, different ones. So we have, this is the basic phone plan. We have Silver Unlimited. We have different phone plans. You can come and explore. Okay, just keep scrolling down. You can see all the plans they have available, right? As you can see, this is the most popular one. And we have this one for a 10 GB data. We have the unlimited one. We have gold limit. All the plans you can think of. You can come here, choose from the options. So let's say you want this one. Then you go to continue and you purchase through the card. And if you want to do a direct top up, okay, instead of using the gift card yourself, you can do a direct top up. So you just enter your phone number and the funds will directly be added to your existing mobile account. Or we can do is you can do an ePIN top up. So you'll receive the PIN through the email, okay? And you can start receiving your service at any time, or you can give that as a gift as well. And here you see the specifications of what you're trying to buy here. So it gives you a summary, okay? And you can go through this if you like, but you just go through it normally. You just add it to your card and then you pay for it via a card, okay? Credit or debit card, even PayPal. But otherwise, guys, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.